What's up everybody, welcome to a new video, and today we will take a quick look on SEI because this coin is on the 4-hour chart forming this rising wedge. But in my opinion, we have here currently a few trading opportunities that you might be interested in. So if you are interested about the exact entries that I'm planning to take on this coin, definitely watch this video till the end. But before that, I would like to ask you, if you like my videos and you like my analysis, I will be really happy if you hit that like and subscribe button, and also if you type some comment under the video, because it will simply help the algorithm to reach out my channel to a new people. So thank you guys for doing that and enjoy today's analysis. But before that, I would like to invite you to my Discord trading group, where I am sharing everyday crypto analysis on Bitcoin and other altcoins that I'm currently watching. So if you want to copy my exact trades, or if you want to just follow my analysis, you can join to this group, and link to join is in the description or in the comments. I want to tell you that in this video I will tell you a lot of interesting trading setups, but there are every time certain conditions that need to be met before I want to open here long or short position. But let's start with the long scenario. The first possible long scenario will be valid, in my opinion, after bullish retest or like a support confirmation in this like rising wedge and above this support of this rising wedge after testing. So if the market will look, let's say, something like this and we confirm support here, then there can be a good opportunity for opening a long position. Other possible long scenario will be after breakdown and testing this support area, which is between levels 0.216 and 0.209. So one will be after a support confirmation, but if there won't be a support confirmation but a breakdown and we will like confirm support in this support area, then there can be a good opportunity for opening a long position there. So these first two possible long scenarios can look, let's say, for example, like this. So if there will be that support confirmation, as I said, you can open a long position in this like rising wedge. So you will speculate on something like this. You are just simply speculating that this rising wedge will continue, and stop loss in that case you need to put just under this like support of this rising wedge, which will give you like, let's say, risk reward ratio around 7. Definitely take some of the profits under this, in that case, resistance area, which is between levels 0.261 and 0.254, which will give you in the end risk reward ratio, let's say, around 4. The second, let's say, possible long position is a little bit more complicated, because if there will be that breakdown and so we confirm resistance here, so the market will look, let's say, something like this. So it will do like this, there will be like resistance confirmation, and we will probably going to test this support level. Then you need to also wait here for a support confirmation. The best possible scenario will be probably after a fake out, pull back up and support confirmation here. So you will need to put the stop loss above the low that we will create while we are testing this support area. So if the market will look, let's say, something like this, in that case you need to put the stop loss under the low that we will create. I hope it's understandable. The last take profit target, again, you can put it under this resistance of this rising wedge. So in that case it can be like level approximately 0.310, but probably this move will take a lot of longer. So in the end, the let's say last take profit target can be on the level, for example, 0.34, which in the end can give you really awesome risk reward ratio, which can be, let's say, around 9. Maybe you are asking if there is currently a good opportunity for opening long position, because right now we tested this support area and it looks like that we will confirm support here. Of course, on the support confirmation we just simply also need to wait, but you can see that we didn't grab the liquidity under this support area. So I would prefer to see, let's say, something like this. And again, stop loss you need to put under this low that we will create, and the last take profit target under this resistance. But in this case, the real question is about the risk reward ratio, because if you will, let's say, open the long position just like here, and you will like put the stop loss below this support and the last take profit target like below this resistance of this rising wedge, you have risk reward ratio like 2.75, and in my opinion there is like really big risk of like grabbing a liquidity. So the market will do, let's say, something like this and we are continuing up. So in my opinion, this setup it have like 2.7 risk reward ratio, which is like not that bad, especially if you will take only one take profit target. But in my opinion, there is just like simply high risk of liquidation. But because the RSI indicator, you can see that is currently, let's say, around the level 65, which is like overbought, I will show you also some short scenarios. Of course, the first short trade you can, for example, open when there will be like resistance confirmation of this rising wedge. This is probably like the most safe way to open that short position, because, for example, after the next test, you just need to wait for that resistance confirmation, and then you will put the stop loss above the high that we will create. It's like the same strategy like with the long scenarios. But if you will, for example, want to open a short position right now, in my opinion, it's like not the best strategy, because as I said, in my opinion, there is like pretty high chance that we will eventually go to grab the liquidity under this support. So you simply need to wait here for that resistance confirmation, so you can like avoid this, let's say, fake breakdown. And if there will be like resistance confirmation, you can speculate either to like test of this support or like for a further breakdown. So for example, you will take some of the profits here, then you will wait for like let's say support confirmation, and if it won't happen here, you can, let's say, also take some of the profits in the last support area, which is between level 0.177 and 0.171. So in the end, the, let's say, short trade can look, for example, like this, if this will be like the high that we will create now. So the risk reward ratio can be, let's say, around 4.6, which is probably not that bad, but in my opinion, this trade has also pretty good chance of success. Maybe you also want to see, let's say, some long-term perspective on the chart, but like guys, right now we are like in the area of like no historical liquidity. So me doing like a long-term analysis, it's like honestly not making any sense. So that's the reason why in this video I showed you only like trading opportunities on that 4-hour chart, because in my opinion, like this current setup, this rising wedge, is the only thing that you can actually right now trade on this coin. Of course, you can speculate on, let's say, another like 100% pump. Yeah, that's like definitely possible. This can also happen, but this is like not the thing that I want to speculate right now on this coin, because as I said, it's like currently pretty overbought. So I will, let's say, wait here for the proper setups that I showed you in this video. And if like none of them will happen, then I'm simply don't want to open any trading position here. Okay, thank you everybody for watching this video. If you want to copy my exact trades, or if you want to just follow my analysis, you can join my Discord trading group, where I am sharing the analysis every single day. But yeah, this will be all from me for today, and I will see you tomorrow in the next video. See ya.